Well, we're here with this 1969 Camaro. Took a job that was done somewhere else that wasn't quite running right or at all. And we decided we would take it on to help the client, get them at least be able to drive it on the road so they're not just having it sit in their garage feeling bad about it not running and driving down the road. All right, this is before Tommy Pike Customs. We got the boingy. This is what other folks are doing. We're gonna turn it into a Tommy Pike Custom. Stay tuned. What we did was we got it in here. The paint was pretty messed up. We had just a lot of little issues. The serpentine belt would not stay on it. It would go about a mile and the belt would pop off. So as we got into it, we found that the accessory drive wasn't lined up, but not only was it not lined up, it was the wrong compressor pulley. It didn't have enough grooves in it for the type setup we had. So we ended up going through everything at that point. We did quite a bit of touch up. The air filter was just this big, huge round filter here. Got rid of that. We made this new pipe here and tucked it way up inside here so we can really get some good, fresh, cold air. We went through that whole process. We got it swapped out. We got the accessory drive fixed, the air intake fixed. We got the air conditioning fixed, and we even polished it out.
The 69 Camaro behind me came into the shop just for some few small things, and right now I'm gonna work on trying to do some paint correction on it, get all these little scratches and stuff that it has, and some hazing that was left over from the first cut buff that it got. The guy's had it for several years, and he just really wants us to bring it back around to what it used to look like. Small stuff like, you know, a dirty wash mitt or just washing the car if you don't get it completely rinsed off, and you'll get just little beads of stuff and it just gets scratched up over time. It happens, you know, that's, if you drive a car, it's gonna get scratched up. So there's nothing wrong with a paint correction every few years or so. So we're gonna get it corrected today.
This thing's going down the road, it just looks like $1 million.